Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a smooth zoom effect using CapCut graphs. So just select your video or picture. You can use either video or picture. Select it and add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end, or like where you want to zoom. I'm just going to add one here and zoom in to the picture. You can also move it around like so. And then at the end, I want to zoom out, so I'm just going to add another keyframe, and I'm just going to zoom that out. And once you are done, between the keyframes, you're going to go to the very right, and as you can see, there is a graphs button, and you're just going to select it, and you're just going to either choose ease in, ease 2, or ease in 3. So I'm just going to choose ease in 3 for mine. And then for this one, I'm going to choose graphs and choose ease out 1. And that will make your zoom slower, well, smoother, not slower, sorry. And that is how you can make a smooth zoom effect using CapCut graphs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!